See those new Badlands in action, mate. Come on. Oh, can you move the stick? Okay. So close.
I didn't mean to show you up there.
They'll come in in a second. Oh, it's so close.
I think we can go forward.
Go forward if you want to.
That was a clutch, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Or the slipper, one of the same, isn't it? Is he talking about premium discharge?
Creamy discharge.
It's not just a discharge.
He was dripping something like milky, like from behind him, and I was like, dude, got a problem there. His coffee was leaking out of his
That?
That's nasty.
It's broken.
Yeah, we ain't repairing that in the field.
Where's the
some welding equipment.
where's the spring?
So you hit this tree here then?
Yeah.
Was this tree standing up?
There
Yeah.
it is. Uncle Mark's been eating lollies.
Lollipop sticks, no, it's to splint the spring to hold it in place. Prepare phase 2. Allen key in there now, look.
Broken.
Well, it won't come out, will it?
No.
A blind man will be pleased to see that repair, but
Well, you never know, Mark. You might inspire some other people if they're ever out in the field trying to do a repair. Or maybe we've just inspired people to carry more lollipop sticks in their toolkits, eh?
definitely.
Test for the repair then.
Like a dream.
Look at that, look.
That one's just going to snap.
Yeah, she's good.
Well, it's holding. Got a nice... Look, it's almost like a crawler with that suspension on the front now, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? No shock.
You've got to be enough to pick it.
Look at you, been a good climber.
Yeah. I think the other repair's holding up better, Mark. Look, repair number 2, look, zip ties.
You can hold on to it.
That's how tough this car is. Yeah, I was just showing how tough this X-maxx is.